Hello everyone, I am Dr. Muhammad Umar Fasi, a pediatrician, children specialist and newborn specialist. Today I would like to give a small message to the society, to the people and especially to the children's. Monsoon is going to start has already been started actually, and this rainy season, how to protect yourself and your love and your children's and your family, and your loved ones actually. So for that reason, I want you to give a small message regarding the monsoon fevers. See, the most common fever in India is malarial fever, which occurs during monsoon season. In monsoon season, there are four types of fevers which are very much prevalent in India. That is dengue, leptospirosis, typhoid, and malaria. Dengue, malaria, chikungunya, they are all vector-borne diseases. Vector-borne diseases are spread by mosquitoes, and these mosquitoes, they are during this rainy season, they multiply into 10 times and they tend to attack human beings. Different types of mosquitoes will attack human beings on different time of the day and night. Those mosquitoes which causes dengue are mostly they bite during daytime, and mosquitoes which bite during night time will cause malaria. So we need to protect ourselves at the work also. When you are at the workplace, you are supposed to get infected or get bite by a mosquito. It could cause dengue, and so to prevent that at your workplace, you need to take certain precautions. First thing is, do not allow any type of water to get accumulated, to get deposited in your nearby areas. Okay, and especially at the workplace, the AC outdoor units which are present are they give a very good and ample spaced water to get accumulated. The outdoor units of ACs, in which mosquitoes are brooded and they can multiply from there and they can cause infections. So at the workplace, if you are there, and nowadays everyone has a AC in his office, so please try to get well maintained ACs and try to get it clean, and especially outdoor units, and especially the areas surrounding your premises of your workplace, where if you see open jars, open pots, and open waste boxes, tires, if all of these things are there, please get rid of those things and get your surroundings clean. And this mosquito, a day mosquito, this mosquito which causes dengue fever, it happens to bite you in the morning times, in the daytime. So if you people at work, you have to take care at work, and you try to wear full sleeves clothes, and as this lockdown has finished, you have to take precautions for COVID, as well as you have to take precautions for dengue. These things, you have a responsibility of two big diseases, coronavirus as well as monsoon fevers. So you have to be more cautious, more responsible this monsoon season. So at the workplace, you have to get your ACs clean, outdoor units, and see outside you don't have any waste boxes, waste bottles in which water can be stored. And these mosquitoes, which causes dengue, they breed in fresh water. So whenever it is rainy season, water gets accumulated, you please remove those pots and try to get it clean every time, so you can be safe at your place. And whereas in the night time, whereas you, if you want to prevent yourself from malaria, you can use bed nets, mosquito nets, you can use mosquito repellents or odomas, etc. You can use that cream and apply on your body, so these things can be prevented. Especially in children's, you please try to make them, you please make them wear full sleeves clothes, not shorts, okay, full pants, and do not leave any bare area of the skin. And you can use mosquito repellents even on children's. Best is you can use mosquito nets around their beds and cots, and this can prevent the mosquito bites, okay. And especially in the house, you can see there are cocoons, empty coconut cocoons, empty bottles. Same thing which I have said for your workplace goes for the house as well. As do not allow water to get accumulated in and around the house, so that mosquitoes can brood on it, okay. And in house, you can put nets around your windows, net doors. You can get it ordered and make it net doors. In front of the doors you can make nets, and on the windows you can put nets, so that mosquitoes can be prevented, mosquitoes entry can be prevented in your houses, okay. And if you get infected, if there is fever, which is a high rise fever, not getting subsided with your normal paracetamol, then you can talk to your pediatrician. For children and for adults, general physician will be there, but for children, you please take your baby to a nearby pediatrician, not to any other doctor but a pediatrician, because he can understand the signs and symptoms which are different from adults in children. So so you can take to the nearby pediatrician. And in these fevers, dengue and all, malaria, do not give any combination antipyretic, only give plain paracetamol. Because if you give combination paracetamol with mefenamic acid and ibugesic, it will alter the platelet functions, and the platelets will go more decrease, will be the platelets can be decreased more with the combination antipyretics. So plain paracetamol is very much required at this time, and it should be administered to the babies as well as adults also. And cover yourself, wear full sleeves clothes, wear a cap while going outside, and do not go in and around the trees, bushes, in the gardens where mosquitoes are always brooding and sitting on the trees and all. So if you go in and around your garden and trees, it will get you can be infected, you can get a bite from mosquito. So better at this monsoon season, you have two responsibilities. You have to prevent mosquito bites. You have to keep yourself safe from monsoon fevers like typhoid, dengue, malaria, leptospirosis, and you have to be careful with COVID and coronavirus. Okay, thank you.